sunshine, who am I in today? I have a MunchPak to unbox with you guys, and I'm genuinely so excited about this. I love MunchPak. I think they are so well-rounded. I think they're absolutely amazing. I can't think of a time that I've ever been disappointed with MunchPak. I've tried many of their boxes. I've tried many snack subscription boxes, and MunchPak has just always been my absolute favorite. I am so excited for this box. I love experimenting with different flavors. I love trying new foods. I am so scared of traveling. I have no desire to get on an airplane. So if I can travel the world and try new foods with a box that gets delivered to my front door, what more could a girl want? So I'm so excited to get into this box. I thought ahead. I planned ahead. I grabbed a water bottle. I have a knife here. We're all good. This is just my unboxing knife. Like, we're just going to keep it as that. So let's get started. I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the little thingy. It says featuring delicious snacks from Israel, Greece, South Korea, and more. Okay, I don't remember what size this is, so I can't tell you. I'm really sorry. I know that there's the mini and there's the original and there's the family pack, and then you can get a soda upgrade sometimes. So I don't know. Let's get started. Okay. Oh my gosh. Boom. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so excited. I see Cheetos, and Cheetos are one of my favorites to snack on. So I don't know what to get started with. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to start with the Cheetos. So I can never tell. I can't even speak English half the time. Like, my pronunciation skills are subpar. So I'm not going to try and really pronounce too much because I don't want to butcher anything. I don't want to offend anybody. But here's the first thing that I'm pulling out. Obviously, it's Cheetos. Are they Cheeto Puffs? What are they? What flavor? I have no idea. They smell like barbecue. They smell like really barbecue-y. Like, they smell like beef barbecue. Hold on, no. They smell like Arby's barbecue sauce. I'm gonna try and pick it back up. This is what it looks like. It's puffy. It tastes like Arby's barbecue sauce. What? What? That's really good. The first one was really flavorful, and then the second one had like almost no flavor to it. That tastes like Arby's barbecue sauce, and I hoard Arby's barbecue sauce. Like, if I ever go to Arby's, I always ask for extra sauce packets so I can bring it home, because it's just so good. I love their barbecue sauce. And I don't like barbecue sauce. Like, I'm not a person, you cannot just throw any barbecue sauce at me and I'll be like, yeah, this is good. I only like Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And I like the, I can't remember the brand name, but they're sugar-free barbecue sauce and Arby's barbecue sauce. That's it. I don't like A1, but ketchup, like, on the other hand, if you could throw any ketchup at me and I'd be like, this is prime. Okay. I'm going to open this up. I'm assuming this is a Fanta. Fanta Green. And that's it. It says product of Thailand, though. It tells me, like, nutrition and everything like that. Like, I love MunchPak because I have so many different allergies, so I literally can, like, there's so many times where with other snack subscription boxes, I can't, like, read what's in the label, so I feel like scared trying it. But with MunchPak, they let me know, like, everything in here, so I love that. I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna see what Fanta Green tastes like. We're gonna like the color green. This probably should be iced. Cheers. That was, whoa! At first, I was like, this is so smooth. I love this. And not that I don't still love it, but it went from, like, smooth and just a lightly refreshing to tasting like I just ate all, what are those candies called with the, they have the banana. Oh, what are they called? Freaking, I don't remember. You got the little banana, Runs candies. This tastes like you just put, like, a bunch of different Runs candies, like, in your mouth and you just, but in juice form. Like at first it's just so light and refreshing and I'm just like, oh, this is like relaxing. And then it's like I have like a 6-year-old's birthday party full of candy like in my mouth. Which isn't a bad thing. I'm not saying that's a bad thing at all. Like I like it. It's very different. It's just not what I was expecting. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. We've got some candy. Oh, we've got some snacks. We got some, oh, okay. We have these Milkinees. Choco drops. That's such a fun word. I kind of really hope that these aren't Whoppers because me and Whoppers don't get along. I love the purple though. That's so cute. And then to open it, it was just this little bend down tab, I think. Maybe. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I have it looks like a little like a super big plus size extra juicy M&M. It's not a Whopper. It just tastes like a really cheap M&M. Like I really do not like cheap chocolate. And that's what this tastes like, really cheap chocolate. I guess I'm just spoiled. It doesn't taste like Hershey's chocolate or Ghirardelli. Those are like the only two chocolates that I really like, besides like Lily's low sugar. These are okay. I'm not a huge fan, but I love the color purple. They would be something I would eat if I was desperate for chocolate, but if you gave me M&Ms or Snow Caps or these, I would choose the Snow Caps. There is still so much to try in here. I'm so excited and I'm really fighting back. Like I have to sneeze. I'm just like trying to like not do that at all. So let's keep going. I can't wait to try this. Hard bite, handcrafted style chips, wild onion and yogurt. When I say I want to try different flavors, this is what I mean. This is something I've never seen in stores before. This is something so unique. And I bet you it's going to taste amazing. I'm so excited. This has a little Canadian flag on it. Oh my gosh, Canadians are so strong. Oh, that was not what I was anticipating that to smell like. Oh my gosh, it smells like, okay, farm. Honestly, my first thought was like a farm, like hay. But we got a thick chip. Oh yeah. Whoa. At first I was like, and I was like, oh, there's so much flavor. That's incredible. It tastes like a sour cream and onion chip mixed with a cheddar and sour cream chip. Oh yeah. How it smells is not at all, oh no. How it smells is not at all how it tastes like. Like, I don't like the smell, but the taste is so, so good. If everything else in the box sucks, like, I will be so happy with those chips. They were so, so good. Okay, let's see what else. We still got so much stuff in here. Okay, I think I'm gonna go, these have caught my attention. Brain Blaster Candy. It has a scale of 1 to 5 and it's at 1, so I don't know if that means like really high or really low. This is how this is going. Oh, I did it. Okay. I did not have faith in myself there for a minute. Artificial apple flavor. So we've got one side that says artificial apple and the other that says strawberry. And they each have their own openings. So I'm kind of wondering if they're two different flavors. That smells like apple. So they're just little itty bitty nuggets. I don't know how to eat these. I normally just toss Nerds back like that, but in the box. Oh! Yo! It's good though. Like, don't mind my face. It's really good. It's really not that sour. I just don't handle sour well. Like, I can handle some heat. I cannot handle some sour. Okay, I'm gonna flip this over. Oh no, they fell out more. Crap, now I had to eat them. Okay, I can't close this up. I'm trying to see if there's strawberry flavor on this side. There is! Oh my gosh. I'm scared. The apple flavor was really good. It had like a really good like green apple taste to it. The strawberry, I don't know how you're supposed to like close up this box. The strawberry, same look, just a light orange color to it. Isn't that sour? Oh! Oh, there it comes. Oh, that's not that bad though. The sour apple was way, I just dropped so much on the couch. The sour apple was a lot more sour. Okay, so we have 4 more snacks together. I'm really sad because these are my favorite things to do and it just always ends too soon. So the next thing that I have is this Serendipity Grab It Dip It peanut butter sticks with raspberry jam. Oh my goodness, I have been craving a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but I don't have any peanut butter. So oh gosh, I almost dropped it. So I'm really excited to try this. The raspberry jam smells like raspberry jam and it really smells like peanut butter up in here. So we got these little wafer sticks. They look like cookies to me. You know what? No, I'm gonna leave that one in here. I'm just gonna try one by itself. Oh, wow. It tastes like a Nutty Buddy. A little bit saltier though. Okay. And now I'm gonna try one with the peanut butter. I mean, the jelly. That's pretty good. Oh. Oh. Okay. That's good. Oh my gosh. I could eat like 8 of these things. These are amazing. Yo, get yourself some of these. If you like peanut butter and jelly. That is so good. That is so good. They're little sticks. They're little, what are those called? I don't remember. What do people call them? The crunchy sticks. That's all I can think of. Oh my gosh. Yo, that's a beautiful sight. I don't care who you are. It was just for a split second that I didn't like the chocolate. At first it tasted really cheap, but I think it's just tasting with the onion chips that I just tried. That's pretty okay. And they're pretty good. They're not really super sweet. Like, I know that some American company made this. It was so sweet. And these aren't, and I'm okay with that. I really like the texture of them too. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. We now have 2 left to try. We have this, oh no, I've got raspberry jam on it. Biscuit sandwich with lemon cream filling, or this latte with milky cream. I'm gonna go ahead, you know, I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try the heavier one. And then we're gonna go ahead and we'll try that lemon one. So this literally just looks like a roll. It feels like there's a sponge cake. And then that's what the inside of it looks like. Oh, that smells so wonderful. That smells like cappuccino. That smells so good. Oh, wow. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Where has this been? Tasty cake who? Wow. That just like melted in my mouth. Oh my gosh. I was trying to leave like half for my fiance to try, but like I don't want him to because I want something. It's so good. That is so incredible. I'm gonna buy that. Holy smokes. That is so, so amazing. Oh, that was so good. Okay. It like melted in my mouth. It was like delicately like sweet, but really creamy and almost like the cake wasn't dry. It was just a little bit rich. That was so amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then last but not least, we have this Best Bakes original biscuit sandwich with a lemon cream filling. Keep in mind, I just have to sneeze, but it's just like not coming. It's just been like there the entire time I've been filming this. So what I'm afraid of is I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna sneeze and there's gonna be food everywhere. How embarrassing. Okay, we gonna try it. Oh, the little cookie, they're so cute. Oh, pretty cookies too. All right. Oh, I smell the lemon in it, yes. The cracker reminds me of animal crackers. It has a really strong lemon cake taste to it. That was really dry. That cookie was, I honestly think my least favorite part of this box because everything else, besides the questionable Moo Moo M&Ms, I loved everything in this box. Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. I just like had to take a second and I just like flash back on everything. My favorite item in here, my favorite chip in here is the onion, the wild onion and the yogurt. And then my favorite cake in here was that latte cake. Oh my goodness. But my favorite surprise item was, oh, I don't know. It's between the soda and the peanut butter and jam thing because that was surprisingly good. So that is everything that I got in my MunchPak box this month. That was so much fun to unbox. Would you guys like to see more unboxings like this on my channel? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much and I'll see you in my next video.